1954, and the record low is 41, which occurred in 1947. Sunrise today is at 7:16 a.m. and sunset is at 7:12 p.m. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, KHC27 broadcasting from the SCE-TV tower near Rock Hill, South Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.425 MHz. This transmitter is serving Rock Hill and the Charlotte metropolitan area, and the surrounding Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, September 28th. At Rock Hill Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 64 degrees, the dew point 37, and the relative humidity 36%. The pressure was 30.24 inches and rising. At Charlotte, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 65 degrees, the dew point 38, and the relative humidity 36%. The wind was northeast at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The pressure was 30.24 inches and rising. At Gastonia, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 63 degrees. At Monroe, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 64 degrees. Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 61 at Statesville and 57 at Asheville. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 62 at Hickory and 63 at Shelby. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 60 at Greensboro and 67 at Fayetteville. In South Carolina, at Greenville, Spartanburg, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 63. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 65 at Greenwood and 68 at Columbia. At Charleston, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 66. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Rock Hill Airport, it was 64 degrees and mostly sunny. In Charlotte, it was 65 degrees and partly sunny. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. Station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill, on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, Piedmont, North Carolina, western North Carolina, upstate South Carolina.
You didn't go
today
off.
And tonight.
You didn't go off.
Hazardous weather.
You didn't go off. You didn't go off.
And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The remnants of Hurricane Ian is expected to approach the area Friday into Saturday.
You went off.
Confidence is increasing that windy conditions
You went off. You went off. What the heck, bro?
Northeast Georgia, mainly late Friday through Saturday, but there is still some uncertainty in the exact track and timing of the system. Continue to monitor the forecast for updates through the week.